Hi guys, Beth here. So today I'm coming to you with a new project pan. Actually, it's like one that really occurs every year. This was created by Emily and Max. She also created Deca Panning, which I'm doing this year as well. It is the Graveyard Project Pan. It starts today on April 30th and goes till October 31st on Halloween. And yeah, so you pick 5 to 10 products, I think. I think it's 5 to 10 products, and it's going to be resurrection products that were in other project pans, or it's collecting cobwebs, which are products that you haven't used in a long time. So I have 5 resurrections and 1 collecting cobwebs. The collecting cobwebs one I have on my eyes today, so it's an eyeshadow palette, but I'll get to that last. So first, what I want to bring back is my Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Tinted Moisturizer by ColourPop. I can't remember what project it was in, but if I can find it, I'll link it down below so you guys could go watch that playlist. I just have this much left, so I was so close to finishing it. I believe this was in a project last year. It might have been Partners in Cream or A through Z project pan. I'm not sure, but I'm right here and hopefully I could get it done. Well, definitely I should be able to get it done by the end of the project. The next item is the Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. This was in a project last year as well. But I've been working on this for a few years now, so it's getting pretty old in my collection. This is how much I have left. I do have another bronzer in my Pan That palette this year, so it might be a little, hard to finish this up because I'm also splitting my time with my Pan That palette. And I think there's another bronzer I'm working on as well. So, oh yeah, in my Partners in Cream project pan, I'm working on an e.l.f. cream bronzer, which I have on my cheeks today. It's really beautiful. So I'm gonna try to use both of those up because they are resurrections. The next item is my air spun. Now this, I don't know if I'll be able to finish it because I've never finished a loose powder before. So let me show you where it's at on this side. I think it's the other side. I'm not sure what side I was measuring. I think I was measuring it like upside down before. So you see the lines right here, and then it comes down to right here. So it looks like there's a little bit of progress. I'm not sure, like, because I haven't really used it at all since probably the last time it was in a project. But yeah, so that's about how much I have. I'll mark it after this video so that way, and maybe I'll weigh it as well so that way we can kind of gauge how much I use up. And the next item, or the last one that is a resurrection product, is this Grande Lips hydrating lip plumper. In this, it's like a little pen type thing, and you click the button right here and then the product goes up. So I just have this little bit amount left, so I'm pretty sure I could get through this as well. So I'm excited. I've been waiting for this project. I just didn't know when it began. I forgot, and then everybody started putting theirs up and I was like, what happened? I didn't know it was starting already. But yeah, so I guess I'm just not like in that chat or whatever, I don't know. Or maybe everybody just had it marked on their calendars. I have no idea. Okay, the last item is for collecting cobwebs. This is my item number 6, and this is the It's My Pleasure palette. Now my goal is to hit pan on one of these shades. I've never hit pan on a ColourPop shadow that wasn't a Super Shock shadow that was in one of those round containers. So if I just want to hit pan on one of these shades in this palette. I do have it on my eyes today. It's very, very pretty. It's one of the first palettes I purchased from ColourPop. I think I was buying like the Super Shock shadows first, and then they started coming out with these like 9 pans, and I bought this one and the Ooh La La palette, which I have used the Ooh La La one recently. It was in my makeup bag. So that's why like I didn't pick that one. I picked this one instead because I haven't used this one in quite a while. So let me show you one more time. It is just so pretty. And yeah, so I want to get some good use out of it before it goes bad or you know, I just want to give it some love. So that is it, you guys. I'll have it linked, everything linked down below or like in the description. You could follow the hashtag Graveyard Project Pan, and you could see all the other videos that have gone up yesterday and today. And yeah, if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing, giving this video a like and a thumbs up like. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye.